Today I'm going to be interpreting the tarot card, the Seven of Cups. 7 symbolizing a turning point number. I'm using the Rider-Waite deck on the right and the Osho Zen deck on the left. This is a water element card. It correlates with the energy of Venus in Scorpio in astrology. When the energy of this card finds you in a reading, there is temptation and desires present. And there can be also some deception going on. There's selfish needs and envy at play. Visions could be clouded by too many opportunities presenting themselves to you at the moment. You might need to practice some patience. And there's also a need for self-control. When the energy of this card finds you in reverse in a tarot reading, you can expect accomplishing a goal, making a solid and firm decision, and not wasting your time. Superficiality won't cut it when this card is in reverse. You want something concrete and solid. There's also an energy of moving forward. If you had a lot on your plate, now you've decided exactly what it is that you're going to do, emotionally and in business partnerships as well. So when the energy of this card finds you in a reading, ask yourself, is everything that's being projected to you what you want? Thank you.